Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Redis on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can install Redis on our Mac. So first of all, open up your favorite browser and search for Redis. And the first link which will appear here will be from redis.io. So we will just click this link, which is redis.io, and here we can see the home page of Redis. What we want to do here is we want to go to the downloads section. So we will just click this option which says download, and then when we scroll down a little we can see this downloads button, but don't click this download button yet. We will see how to install Redis on our Mac by scrolling down a little. So when we scroll down a little, here you can see the installation steps for Redis. So first we need to download this tar file, and then we need to unzip or untar this tar file, and then we need to make the Redis binaries, right? Now let's see what is the latest version at the time of making this video for the Redis. So we can see in the downloads button that 4.0.0 is the latest stable version at the time of making this video, right? So we will install the 4.0.0 version of Redis. Now sometimes this wget command may not work on your Mac operating system, so we will use the curl command to download this tar file. Okay, so instead of wget we will use the curl command, and then we will follow the same procedure as described here with some additional commands. Okay, so what we will do first is on my desktop, for example, or at your chosen location, just create a folder. So I'm going to create a folder and I'm going to name it as Redis. Okay, so inside this Redis directory I'm going to just download this tar file and untar it, and then make the binaries out of it. Okay, so then once I have this folder, I will just see the info, get the info, and then just see what is the path of this Redis directory, and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to open a terminal. So just open a terminal and then just cd to this Redis directory. So because it's on my desktop, I can just use this location. So user, and then whatever is your username, and then / desktop, and then / Redis. I just need to write / Redis, and then I'm inside this Redis folder. Right now we will do the ls, and there is nothing inside this Redis folder, and let's just open this folder so we will see what's happening inside this folder. Okay, so let me just resize it so we will see all the things which are happening here. And now we will just give a curl command. So just write curl and then -o, and then the location of this tar file. So just copy this URL from here, which is there on the downloads page without wget. Okay, so just copy this URL and then paste it here on the terminal, and then press enter, which is going to download this tar file. And once it's downloaded, we will just untar it. So you can see this tar file is downloaded, right? And to untar it or extract it, we will use this command. So right click, copy, and then just paste it here, which is going to extract this tar file, and we can see this folder is extracted, and inside this folder we have some files, right? So the next step is to cd to this directory, which is Redis -4.0.0, and then make it, right? So you can see the step, cd to this 4.0.0 directory and give the make command. So we will do the same, cd to the Redis 4.0.0 directory, and then give a make command which is going to make the binaries for the Redis server and Redis client and other Redis stuff, right? So now the make is finished, and at last I can see this message which says it's a good idea to run make test. So let's run make test. I'm going to just give this command which is make test and then press enter. So now the make test command is also finished, and I can see this message which says all tests passed without error, right? So I know that everything is okay, and now I can start the Redis server and then Redis client. Okay, so let's see what are the command for those. So Redis server can be started from the source directory, and we just need to run this command which is Redis server, and same we need to do for Redis client. So from the source directory we can just run this Redis CLI, right? So let's do this. So I'm going to open a new terminal. So let me open a new terminal. So now I have two terminals, right? So on the first terminal I will just do first of all ls here, or let me clear the terminal first of all. So clear, and then I will do ls here, and I can see there is a source directory here. So I will just give this command src and then redis minus server, right? So redis minus server, and press enter, which is going to start the Redis server, and it has started listening on this port which is the default port for Redis, which is 6379, and this is the PID of this Redis server, right? Now once again I will navigate to this directory where I have installed Redis. So it's in my desktop, and then I'll go to the Redis directory, then the Redis 4.0.0, and then I will just give this command which is src / Redis CLI. So let me do ls, so I know that I am in the same directory, and then I will just write src and then Redis CLI, and I'm connected to the Redis server. I can see this kind of prompt here. That means I'm connected to my Redis server, right? So first, to test whether everything is working fine or not, you just need to write ping here and then press enter, and if in return you get pong, then you know that everything is working fine. You can also set something. So for example, set name is equal to max, and then press enter, and then you can get the name. So get name, and then you can get the name. Okay, and then you can give the save command to save everything, for example, right? So everything is working fine, but for example, when I open a new terminal and I want to run Redis CLI, for example, from here, how can I do it? So I just want to write Redis minus CLI and I want to run it. So let me just correct the spelling here. So Redis CLI, and I want to run it, and it says command not found, because right now the Redis CLI command can be only run from this directory, right? So you need to cd to this directory and then run the Redis command. So how to solve this problem? So this problem can be solved by running the make install command inside your Redis directory. So I'm going to just stop the server for now, and now I will once again do, for example, pwd, so you know that in which directory I am in. So I'm in my Redis 4.0.0 directory, right? Let me clear the terminal so you will be able to see better. So pwd present working directory, and you can see I'm in my desktop directory, and then there is a Redis directory here, which is this one, and then we are in the Redis 4.0.0 directory, right? So we have run here the make and make test command, and you just need to write make install command here with the sudo privileges. So you just need to write sudo make install here and then press enter, and you just need to give your max password here and then press enter, and then it will start the make install command, and then you can see everything is installed, and now you can run Redis server and Redis CLI from anywhere, right? So let me just close this terminal and close this terminal also. Let me just terminate everything, and I will open a new terminal so that we can check whether it's running from any other place other than this Redis folder or not. So I will start two terminals. In the first terminal I will write Redis server, and it starts from my home directory, and now I will give the Redis CLI command. So just give Redis CLI, and then I'm connected to this server, right? So everything is working fine, and now you can start Redis server, and you can use Redis CLI command from anywhere from your directory structure, right? So in this way you can download and install Redis on your Mac operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.